guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing fine. So today I wanted to do an embellishment on a pour. Most of this is going to be time-lapse because it's going to take a really long while. So let me show you the text I want to put on this. So this is what we're gonna be drawing on here. And I'm gonna start by using some chalk and just figure out my layout. So I hope you can see I did it with yellow. Actually kind of like this. So what I'm gonna do is gonna try and use a long brush and some leftover paint that's light purple, and I'm gonna make the outlines around the chalk letters. So my outline is all done. For freehanding my letters, I think it's pretty good. I'm going to try and do some shading. And I'm going to use a slightly darker shade of the same purple. So let's get into it. This is how far we've gotten. It took me several hours on several days to get this far. Just because, you know, I was overthinking it. What I ended up doing was doing a really thin coat of the darker color all over. Just because the color tone was so different. This is more red, this is more blue, that I just didn't like it with just the shading. And now what I want to try, if I never tried before, is doing some dotting. And I've got some dotting tools. Let me show you different sizes. And I'm gonna use some different colors paint. So one here in the corner and one down here. But I'm gonna start here in the corner and see if I like it. If not, I can wipe it off, but I just really want to try it and make it just this little bit of extra. I think the first layer looks pretty good. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna add some more dots. I think I'm done. So what do you think? So I finished my dots on the corner and I did one on the bottom. So I think it turned out pretty good. So let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye guys!